Okay, now let's take the quiz on the Ling Shu um, approach to needling techniques and insertion. Okay, according to the Ling Shu, successful needling is primarily confirmed by
Transmission
Transmission of transmission of the
pressure
channel.
along
the statement, hold the needle like a tiger firmly in one's grasp. Tiger kahit
stability and
Stability.
stability and confident control. After insertion, the Ling Shu specifically recommends,
checking the pulse.
Checking
yes,
the pulse.
always check the pulse. In the Ling Shu, regulation of qi is considered,
The primary goal
Primary
of
goal,
acupuncture.
yes, which sensation is associated with practitioner perception of qi arrival?
heaviness and tension.
Heaviness and tension.
Which patient sensation is least associated with ta qi?
Tachi. Complete absence of feeling.
Yeah. According to the Ling Shu, treatment without proper qi arrival was traditionally viewed as,
Incomplete.
yes. Tonification is primarily indicated for,
Deficiency
Parang
condition.
tama.
during tonification, insertion should generally be,
Gentle, slow.
No.
gentle and slow. Dahan-dahan. Insertion time. Insertion. Tonification traditionally follows.
The movement of
Chi.
Which action is characteristic of tonification?
closing
Closing
the
the
hole
hole
after
after
withdrawal.
withdrawal.
Sedation is primarily used for,
Excess.
Excess or stagnation.
in sedation techniques, withdrawal is generally,
Fast.
Slow, slow,
Sedation.
slow. Sedation, di ba
Slow.
slow?
Slow, slow, slow.
slow.
Mababawas.
Slow, slow.
Kasi tinatanggal mo, paramdamin mo sa kanya na tinatanggal mo yung excess.
Stagnation.
No? Sinisedate mo siya. Yan na mag-i-inhale siya. Tapos dahan-dahan. Which manipulation most strongly corresponds to dispersion?
Gentle lift. Minimal.
Larger amplitude, rotation, yung laki ng ikot.
Yes, larger amplitude rotation. The phrase, open the pathogenic gate, refers to,
Opening. Sedation, dispersing method.
correct.
Boston.
Which factor does the Ling Shu not list as influencing needling depth?
Astrological.
Astrological.
Oo, bang
Needling is especially appropriate for
exterior
Exterior.
disorder.
your deep needling is especially indicated for
Chronic musculoskeletal obstruction.
excessive needling depth over the thorax was believed to damage
Three vessels and shen.
which region is specifically identified as dangerous for excessive depth.
Fontanelle area.
Yeah.
Fontanelle area.
Yung tinatawag na point doon sa
Do 20.
hindi fontanelle na
Hindi. Fontanelle doon sa may likod yan, no?
ano sa may likod
Hindi.
sa may ano pa
Yung
frontal.
sa taas.
Frontal sa harapan.
Half needling primarily involves
Superficial.
superficial insertion. Half needling is specially indicated for
Skin disorder.
Disorders.
leopard spot needling uses
Multiple shallow.
yes kasi nga leopard spot. Tinutusok-tusukan mo na malili. Leopard spot technique is traditionally associated with
Blood
Blood
stasis
stasis and heat.
joint needling is primarily intended for
B syndrome.
growth. Transport needling involves
Deep insertions in the muscle.
into muscles. Opposing needling combines
front and back.
Front and back
front and back.
needling.
Restoring needling employs
And withdrawal.
repeated,
Repeated
Retention.
repeated insertion and withdrawal. Pasok, withdraw. Insert, withdraw. Strong lifting and thrusting tends to be
dispersion.
Dispersing.
gentle lifting and thrusting is more associated with
Qualification.
historically clockwise and counterclockwise rotation traditions.
Buried among lineage.
Lineages.
Rhythmic rotation was traditionally used
Rotation. Guide chi.
Daichi.
by the chi. According to some lineages, insertion on exhalation support,
Tonification.
tonification. Okay, insert mo pag nag-exhale na siya. Withdrawal on inhalation in some traditions is associated with
Dispersion.
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 A major theme in the Ling Shu is that the physician should
Maintain calmness
Maintain
and
calmness.
focus intention.
the quality of treatment depends partly upon the practitioners
And
and which is not one of the 9 needles mentioned.
merong
Lance.
Stapel. Hindi, merong lance. May lance doon. May spoon kanina. O yung stapel doon.
One traditional function of specialized classical needles was
Draining abscesses.
abscesses, which therapeutic action was associated with some ancient needle forms.
Massage and pressing channel.
The round needle and the spoon needle. The Ling Shu repeatedly emphasized that the essential aspect of needling is
Arrival of chi.
arrival of qi, which later system was influenced by
Yeah.
Shu doctrines.
Master
Tongue punch.
Okay, that's why we're taking this up, no? Master. Ang dami na ba natin natutunan? Ang dami pala. Grabe. Which condition would most likely require superficial needling?
early febrile
Early.
superior condition.
Which factor would most justify deeper insertion?
Deeper. Chronic musculoskeletal pain.
The Ling Shu warns that improper depth may injure.
Vessels and spirit.
In tonification, stimulation is generally
Minimal.
minimal, which is most characteristic of sedation.
Strong manipulation.
Strong manipulation. The Ling Shu discussion of needling includes theories concerning
All of the above.
all of the above. Okay, we will also memorize all of these points, okay? So tuloy-tuloy tayo. Which best describes the Ling Shu approach to acupuncture?
Energetic regulations through intentional techniques.
The practitioner should avoid rough technique. And finally, the Ling Shu's doctrine of qi arrival became foundational for
Nearly all
Nearly all
later ako
later.
find rotation.
Wow, congratulations, everyone. Perfect, no? Except, okay. I hope you had a great time as well.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, To.
Thank you.